Hello students, our today's topic is undervaluation and overvaluation of stock. Here I am talking about closing stock. So let us discuss what will be the impact of undervaluation of stock. Suppose we have closing stock which is undervalued by rupees 5000, मतलब 5000 कम इवेलुएट हुआ है हमारा क्लोजिंग स्टॉक. लेट अस से एक्चुअल वैल्यू ऑफ क्लोजिंग स्टॉक वॉज रुपीज़ 30,000 but we have recorded it as 25,000. This is undervaluation. 30,000 उसकी वैल्यू है बट हम शो कर रहे हैं 25,000. दैट मीन्स 5,000 हमने कम कैलकुलेट किया है. सो व्हाट विल बी द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ दिस ट्रांजेक्शन? एज यू ऑल नो, वी शो stock under trading account. So here I have taken an assumption. Opening stock, let's say we have of rupees 15,000 and closing stock, as you can see here, it is undervalued, so I have written here 25,000. Now the difference of these two will be gross profit. That means 25,000 less 15,000, we got ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑफ रुपीज़ 10,000. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ 25,000 आई वुड हैव रिटर्न 30,000. अगर यहाँ पे मैं 30,000 लिखती, उस टाइम पे मेरा प्रॉफिट कितना होता? एट दैट टाइम माई प्रॉफिट वुड हैव बीन 15,000. 30,000 माइनस 15,000 equals to 15,000. That means मेरा actual profit है 15,000 but because closing stock has been undervalued I got less 5,000. So what will be the impact of this particular transaction? To calculate actual profit we need to add if there is undervaluation of stock. As we can clearly see here, gross profit हमारा 15,000 आना चाहिए था but because of undervaluation 5,000 हमारे पास profit कम आया है. So to calculate the actual profit we need to add back this amount. So undervaluation of stock will be added. Now let us talk about overvaluation of stock. Suppose we have closing stock which is overvalued by 5,000. That means 5,000 आपने ज़्यादा calculate किया है. Let us take an example to make the concept more clear. Suppose actual value of closing stock was rupees 25,000 but it is shown as rupees 30,000. 5,000 overvalued कर दिया गया है. 25,000 actual value थी but हमने 5,000 overvalued ज़्यादा evaluate कर दिया है, जिस वजह से it is showing 30,000. So let us see the impact of this transaction in our gross profit. We need to prepare trading account. Debit side I have written opening stock 15,000 and credit side closing stock 30,000. Okay, this is a overvalued amount. We got gross profit of rupees 15,000. Okay, 15,000. If I would have written here instead of 30,000, if I write 25,000 which is the actual amount, that time my profit, my gross profit would have been 25,000 less 15,000, it would be 10,000. ओके, अगर मैं यहाँ पे 25,000 शो करती तो मेरा प्रॉफिट 10,000 होता विच इज़ द एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट. दैट मीन्स 5,000 मेरा जो प्रॉफिट दिखा रहा है वो एक्सेस है. So when I need to calculate actual profit, overvaluation of closing stock will be subtracted because 10,000 is the actual amount and 15,000 जो मेरा profit आ रहा है that is wrong because of overvaluation. So to get the actual profit I need to subtract overvaluation of stock. Okay, so this was the concept. Undervaluation of stock will be added and overvaluation of stock will be subtracted. Here I am talking about closing stock.